Good morning, kids. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Hope you all would have received your classwork, textbook, and all everything. Uh, we pray God for the normal condition as much as possible, as soon as possible to happen. Okay. Now, as you all got your classwork and textbook. Okay, you all got classwork and textbook, so we will do our book back exercises and classwork activities. Okay, first we are going to see the book back exercises. Okay, we are going to write our book back answers. Take your computer book, write the first lessons book back exercises. Okay, write the first lessons book back exercises. First exercise is fill in the blanks. From here, from this slide, we are from this slide we are going to learn our book back exercises. Okay, from this slide, our first slide is fill in the blanks. Operating system is classified into dash types. Operating systems are classified. Classified means how many types are there. How many types? I told you there are three types: single user, multi-user, multitasking. So three types are there. Then work area is a place where we work. What is work area? Where we type, where we calculate, where we write, all our work area. Okay, and OS, operating system. OS means operating system that performs different tasks at the same time, is multitasking operating system. Okay, multitasking means what? Doing multiple work in the same time. Okay, that is Windows does by naturally this. Okay, then the multi-user. What is multi-user? OS, more than one program are stored in one memory. Okay, more than one program means more than one or two user also can work. Okay, multi-user. Here basically servers are used. Servers means the large amount of memory would contain with the server. Server it's a big CPU kind of a structure. For to make you understand, to make you clear, a server is a bigger size CPU. Okay, you keep that. It's a common. Okay, it's a common for some particular users. Yes, let's have, if one team has 10 members, so that 10 member alone will have a common server. Okay, then title bar consists of file name, application name, and sizing button. What is this sizing button? The sizing means zoom in, zoom out. Okay, if you want to zoom in, if you want to see large in bigger size screen, then you will do zoom in. Then zoom out means coming out to the normal structure. Okay. Now we'll see the full form of the following. What I told you, many shortcut names. What is DOS and GUI? I've told you already, but even then, here it is there in the question. So bookwork exercises. We'll do this also. DOS. What is DOS? Disk operating system. DOS, I told you, it is DOS, disk operating system, command based operating system. GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, graphical user interface. Now whatever the computers we are using are mostly 95% this GUI based only. Okay, graphical user interface. Now, what is an operating system? Operating system is a program which enables the computer to accept commands to perform action. Okay, operating system is a program. It is a program. Okay, which enables the computer to accept command. If whatever the question I am asking with the computer should have the ability to calculate and answer my question. So that ability gives this operating system. Okay. So with the help of operating system only, the computer is able to answer our questions. Okay. So computer system is a program which connects the user and the computer. Next, name the three types of operating system. what are all the types are available in operating system. Many a time we studied this MS DOS, Linux. It is Linux, Linux, Macintosh. You can write only Linux. Macintosh is not necessary. If it is hard to you, leave it. Windows you should write. Okay, MS DOS, Linux, Macintosh, Windows. Next, what detail does the status bar display? The status bar shows the detail of the total number of files folders. Okay, status bar shows the detail of the total number of files and folders. Generally, the status bar inside the MS folders like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and all. If you take in that file, if you see the status bar, number of files, whatever their folders are available, it will show. But the status bar in the desktop will show you different. Okay. Next, name a few standard buttons. What are the standard buttons? Only 3 buttons. If you want, we can add standard buttons, but generally it is there less only. The name of the standard buttons are forward, backward, and search. These three will be available on top left corner. Top left corner next to the Windows button. These buttons will be available. Okay, forward, backward, and search. Next, write down the steps to display Quick Launch Toolbar on the taskbar. What is Quick Launch Toolbar? Okay, if you right click on the desktop status bar, if you right click on the status bar which is there in the desktop, if you right click, okay, if you right click, there it will be available. What is the step to open? Right click on the taskbar which is there on the desktop, that is on the first screen, home screen. Then select the properties. There will be a small pop-up will come. On that pop-up, many options will be there. You should select the last option, that is properties. Okay, then select the quick launch box. If you click that properties, there will be some more options will be available. On that option, you should select the quick launch box on the taskbar and start menu window. Okay. Next, define desktop. What is the definition of desktop? Many a time I taught you. It is the first screen of window. Okay, it is the first screen. As soon as you switch on the computer, the screen which appears first. That is the desktop. It is also called as home screen and main screen. We find icon and taskbars here. Okay, we see icons and taskbar here. Okay, unscramble the jumble words means the spellings are wrong. It is not wrong. It is mixed. Okay, it is not in the meaningful order. You should make it in order so that it will give meaning. Okay, so first one is scroll. The spellings are scattered here. Okay, scroll. The second one is address. The third one is operating. The fourth one is taskbar. Okay, you should rearrange the formation of these letters in order to make the word meaningful. Okay, this is match the following. DOS, I told you, it is a command based system. Person who knows the commands only he can operate. Okay, so it is single user operating system. Not for the reason one should know the command. Basically, it is a single user operating system only. Okay, then icon diagrammatic representation. It is a picture representation. Small pictures will be there. You have to click to open the particular program related with the picture. Okay, so icon is a diagrammatic representation. Okay, next, address bar. What is address bar? Address bar shows you the current location. If you go to MS Excel, no, wherever your cursor goes, your cursor is in which cell, that cell address would be displayed on the current location bar only. Okay, at the address bar only it will be your address would be shown, means the cell address would be shown. Then the scroll bar. What is scroll bar? Vertical and horizontal scroll bars. Suppose if you want to see down the page, okay, downside whatever the content are there in the page in Word or MS Excel, then the vertical scroll bar will help you. Okay, supposing if you want to see the sides of the page, left side or right sides of the page, then the horizontal scroll bar will help you. Horizontal bars will help you to move the page left to right, right to left. Okay. The same way, vertical scroll bars will help you the page to move from up to down or down to up. Okay. Then multitasking OS. What is multitasking? Operating system. OS means operating system. Where and all in the book it is mentioned OS. It is operating system. You should understand. Okay. It is Windows XP. Windows XP is a multitasking operating system. Means Windows XP has the ability to do multitasking. It at a time it can play movie. At the same time, it will give you the printout also. Okay. Now it's time for doing classwork. Dear kids, listen carefully that we all have got the classwork. Okay, we all have to do our classwork now. In order to do this, first thing you have to wrap your classwork with the brown sheet. Okay, wrap your classwork with the brown sheet, then label it. Label it. Okay, then fill the details in the label. Write your name, write your subject, standard, school. To write school, always write the complete name of the school. Okay, write the complete name. Seventh Day Adventist School. Write the complete name of the school. Okay, kids. Now, after wrapping, after sticking the label and completing the details filling, move on to the first page. Okay, in the first page, what you should write is write your name, standard, subject, school. Okay, if possible, write in the capital letters, blocked letters. Okay, write your name first, then standard, subject, and school. I always insist kids to write their school name in a full, in a complete name has to be written. Our principal specially insists us to make the children write the school name in a neat manner. Complete name has to be written on the classwork or book wherever it is required. Okay, not the SDA form. You should not write like that. Write in the full complete SEVENTH 7th DAY Adventist 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 School SCHOOL. Okay, like this you should write the complete school.
Now, after writing the first page, after writing the first page details like writing your name, standard, subject, school, go for a fresh page, go for a new fresh page. Here you have to write, first you should write the lesson name first, operating system, that you should write first. Then write Roman letter 1, write the heading, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks you should write. Here we should write the fill up questions. We should write fill up questions. I've already taught you in the previous in few minutes before. Okay, while doing our textbook exercises, that time I showed you the anyway I'll read one more now. Operating system is classified into 3 types. This is going to be the first fill up. Second fill up is work area, is a place where we work. Okay, this is going to be the second one. Then the third one is an OS that performs different tasks at the same time, is multitasking operating system. Okay, this is going to be the third one. Then the fourth one, in multi-user OS more than one program are stored in memory. Okay, this is going to be the fourth one. Then the final one, fifth one, title bar consists of file name, application name and sizing button. Okay, these five fill up answers should be there in the first Roman letter. First Roman letter, fill up the dashes, in that it should be. Okay, then we will move on to the second exercise. Second exercise is only the question answers. Answer the following should be the heading. Write the Roman letter 2, then give a title, answer the following, then write the first question. Okay, then write them. Answer should be where handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay, in a cursive handwriting you all should write how we write in the classwork in the school. The same way we should write, because you all should submit the classwork as soon as the school reopens. You all should submit your classwork for correction. Okay, keep ready your classwork, written classworks. Okay, then the first question in the second Roman, answer the following. What is an operating system? Operating system is a program which enables the computer to accept commands to perform action. Okay, operating system is a program which enables the computer to accept commands to perform action. Then the second one, name the three type of operating system. Name the three type of operating system, which is MS-DOS, Linux, Macintosh, Windows. MS-DOS, Linux, Macintosh, Windows. These two should be there in the second question. Okay, next. Then the next question is, what detail does the status bar display? What details does the status bar display? The status bar shows the details of the total number of files and folders. It shows the total number of files and folders present in the file. Okay, then the next question, write down the steps to display quick launch toolbar on the taskbar. Okay, here the first question, first step one is right click on the taskbar. Right click on the taskbar. Second step, we should select the properties. On that we should select the properties. Step 3, select the quick launch box. Select the quick launch box on the taskbar and start menu window. Okay kids, then the next question, name a few standard button. Name a few standard button. The name of some standard buttons are forward, backward and search. Forward, backward and search. Okay, then the next question in the classwork, define desktop. What is desktop? It is the first screen of window. It is also called the home screen and main screen. We find icons and taskbar here. We find small icons and taskbar here. This is going to be the next one. Up to this you should write in the classwork in a neat handwriting, cursive handwriting, repeatedly telling keep your classwork clean and neat. Give the proper details what and all to be given. Okay, write the school name in the first page in a full form. Okay, Seventh Day Adventist School with the full question you should write. Okay kids, that's all for this video. We will meet in the next video. Okay kids, bye.